Games are evolving fast. But did you know AI isn't just playing the games anymore? It's building them? From open worlds to smarter enemies, AI is quietly transforming the future of game development, and you might not even realize it. Games like No Man's Sky use AI algorithms to create entire galaxies, billions of planets, each with unique terrain, wildlife, and weather, all without human designers placing every rock or tree. That's the power of procedural generation. Developers feed the AI a set of rules, and the AI creates limitless variations in real time. And it's not just the worlds that are changing, it's who's in them. Gone are the days of clunky, repetitive NPCs. Today, AI powers characters that learn, adapt, and even remember your choices. Some enemies will now study your tactics and fight back in smarter ways. Think of it like having a mini-game director watching you and adjusting everything for maximum challenge and immersion. AI is also revolutionizing how fast games are made. Developers now use tools that generate dialogue, animate characters, and even write code, saving hours or weeks of manual work. With NVIDIA ACE, for example, you can generate voice, facial movement, and emotion from just a script. What once took a studio team now takes just one person and a few prompts. Even gameplay itself is evolving. AI tracks how you play, adjusting difficulty, customizing quests, and shaping stories in real time, so your experience feels tailored, dynamic, and deeply personal. Imagine a game that understands you. That's no longer fiction. We're entering a new era, where games aren't just designed, they're grown by AI. That means richer stories, endless worlds, and more immersive experiences than ever before. The question isn't, will AI take over game development? It's, how far will it go? Hit like if you've ever dreamed of making your own game. And subscribe for more deep dives into how AI is reshaping our digital world. This is Toolverse AI, unlocking the future, one pixel at a time.